Trononama! We're going to Ikea. We're here now at Ikea. So it's located here in Ballymun area in Dublin. This is a Scottish, Swedish, sorry. It's a Swedish company, owned company. Ikea is a Swedish owned company, so they have like showrooms like this. They put on a sample of a bedroom, a living room, and of course you can see the prices of each product and where you're going to get it. Like this one, this red cabinet, for example, it is in 150 euro, and you can get this in the self-serve area. And there's even like a tablet here. You see that? So you can see that IKEA gives you sample of an idea how to make your room or design your room. So create your dream room for only 765 euro. So that's the cost of all the furnitures and displays that you will get for this room. Oh, that's a good price. Some of the furnitures has a free 10-year guarantee. That's good. Now you know that IKEA, once you buy a furniture from them, it comes in a pack, in boxes. So you're the one who's going to, so you're going to assemble it yourself. That's why the prices are much cheaper. Sometimes it's really hard to assemble. Though I know that this kind of living room only fits the younger generation, bachelors, the single ladies, of course, single independent woman. I like the color motif of this. Not too dark, but you need a bigger space for the living room. So you won't get lost here because like it's a big space, but there's like lighted arrows on the floor where to go to, like this, so you won't get lost, you know, because it's easy to be lost with this kind of big store. See, and it just automatically open, so you don't need a handle for this. Close it, and with just one click, there, it's open. So if you cannot assemble it yourself, there is as well in-store planning service. Those are the person who would help you plan your kitchen. In order for you not to forget where to get your shopping items, IKEA provide you with a pencil and a paper. So it says there here, shopping list. It's the name of the product, the color, the article number, and the aisle. That's it. And there's as well a computer, like if you cannot find anything or it's hard for you to find something, you just put press bathroom and it will give you the choices then. And then when you then it will show you the prices and the designs. It's convenient. You won't get lost.
Oh, that's a lot prettier.
This one is for a teenager room. So this will be her study place, laptop or computer, and a small bed. A sample of a walk-in closet.
I will stay just a few days in town, and I wonder if do you wanna go out? Wanna go now? City lights are on point. Do you like? This could be a treasure. By the way, you're precious. Love you makes me anxious. Wanna be a big love.
Entering now the serve self area. This is where you're going to buy or get the items that you have chosen. So as you can see, it has their like aisle, it's written there aisle and location, and it has a drawing of the item that's in there. So they all come in boxes. See, that's why they self-assemble. So some item comes in 2 boxes, so you better make sure of it, that it comes with a, it shows anyway. There's an information point as well here, so if you could seem to not find what you are looking for, just go to them. Oh look, there's Christmas items here now. Oh yeah, it looks like our lanterns in our country, but it's made up of, yeah, paper or plastic. I think it's more of a plastic material. So we're finished shopping. We're going now to this one of the tills here. There. There's a grocery store here. The one that you buy in the restaurant. There's a restaurant here where they offer the Swedish meatballs, which is very popular here in Ikea. Like whatever's offered in the restaurant, you can also well buy the frozen things too. This one or the very cheap snacks here. So you can eat here too. There's a bigger restaurant upstairs, but we didn't go there because my husband is going to treat us somewhere.
Are you saying are you saying
So we're here at Musashi Japanese restaurant here in Blanchardstown, Dublin. Tikman natin kung masarap ang kanilang ramen. This is mine, the Kinkachi ramen. That's a seafood ramen. And so, what can you say? What can you say? How about your
Yummy.
dad? Yummy? Yeah, mine as well. Isn't like yummy.
Salap. Butter. But delightful.
So the verdict is it's delicious, and it's just near us. So maybe this is my third time already eating here. Anyway, so that's it for today, folks, and don't forget to click the like and subscribe at the bottom screen, and then click the bell icon button as well, so that you'll know first if I have a new video. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye. Till next time.